Got some more blackberries back here. It's a long one. Look at it. Pan slow, 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 slow. Wow. These ones are just draped over the hill. But fear not. Oh! Ah! Oh man, I just got pricked. Alright, I did that on purpose just to illustrate how prickly these canes are. Alright guys, Lee's General Landscaping. We're here to remove the canes from your yard. Blackberry, bamboo. But today we're doing blackberry. Just gonna trim it down so you don't have to deal with these blackberries. Okay? A lot of waste, you guys. We need the big truck to handle this business today. This blackberry business. We're also going to trim down this whole yard, make it look nice and tidier. Not too bad, you guys. Is this the big blackberry job? Could be. The biggest one today. Is it the biggest we've seen? I don't know, you tell me. Is it the biggest you've seen? Maybe. Lee's General Landscaping.